So, unlike my outside photo shoot, what I meant by external photo shoot was that if I was filming in a different building, by that, if I mean I go to a ballet studio or anything like that, I'm going to use this setup, which again may seem quite simple, but that's not including any of the camera lenses, the stands, or any of that. So I think that this, again, just as the others, is really important just to understand the basics and just see what I'm thinking and what's going actually into this design, which I've got. So as you can see here, I've got my model and I've got me. I'm just going to be walking around them, but I will probably be using the walls. And if I do go to the ballet studio, I'm going to manipulate the mirrors and try and reflect back and just play around like that.